Here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is go ahead and turn it on, press and hold that power button till you boot up here to the welcome screen. From here, tap on the language that you want. I'm fine with English. I'm going to tap on start. Now, I just got a message down here that says insert a SIM card. You can do that now or you can do it after setup. I'm going to do mine after setup and then I'll make another video on how to insert the physical SIM card. Okay. For your review, go ahead and read through these. The first two you must check in order to proceed. The third one is optional. Okay. So for myself, I'm just going to go with the first two up there. Easy setup with another device. Sign in automatically and copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Keep your other phone or tablet nearby and unlock. This is if you want the setup to be a little bit faster and you'll be able to sign in automatically and whatnot. Okay, so if you have an Android phone or Galaxy, click there, iPhone or iPad down here. Okay, now for myself, I'm just going to go ahead and set up manually. Okay, I want a fresh clean slate on this phone here. Choose a Wi-Fi network. You can skip this or you can do it now. I'm going to do mine now to get that latest software update. Enter my Wi-Fi password. After I put in the password, we're going to tap on connect here. It says connected right there. Preparing mobile connection. This may take a few minutes. So here it says select your service provider. Choosing your service provider helps you find your eSIM mobile plan. Okay, so if you have an eSIM plan or you want the eSIM, go with one of these down here, or you can tap down here other ways to connect mobile network. For myself, again, I'm going to put a physical SIM card into this phone. Okay, so I'm going to tap on setup later in settings, and I'm not even going to do the eSIM for myself, but I can go back after setup too and go ahead and register my eSIM if I wanted to as well. All right, so here you can copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, your Gmail account, and more. Okay, so if you have a different device and you want to transfer your apps and photos or whatnot, go ahead and bring it close and then tap on next right here, and you will need an old Android phone, tablet, an iPhone, or an iPad. Okay, but for myself, I'm going to click back on here, and again, I want a fresh, clean copy, so I'm going to click on don't copy for myself right there. Google account sign in, your Gmail, you can go ahead and sign in now, you can create an account, or you can skip it and do it later. I'm gonna go ahead and just skip mine for now. Google services, read through these, user location, allow scanning, send usage, and diagnostic data. These are all optional, okay? You can still proceed without having those enabled, but I'm fine with having them enabled. And I'm gonna tap on accept. Protect your phone. They're asking you to input a password, okay? You can do a Face ID password, fingerprint password, PIN password, or pattern, okay? So, and you can skip this and you can do it later. I'm going to go ahead and do mine now. I'm just going to do a PIN for now. Right there. It's just a 6-digit. So let me choose it. After you do it, tap on continue, and you got to type it in one more time, and then tap on OK. Now they're asking you to sign into your Samsung account. You can go ahead and sign in, or you can create an account, or you can skip. I'm going to skip from skip. And you can always skip and go back and sign into the Samsung account, but I'm not even going to do that. Samsung services. Now all these are optional, okay? These are all optional, so go ahead and read through each of these. And for myself, I'm fine with all 4 of them. I'll tap on agree. Display preference. Do you want light or do you want dark? Most of you guys are going to go with dark. I like dark myself, so we're going to go with dark. I'm going to tap on next. Taking care of your phone, go ahead and read through that and then tap on next. You're all set up. We're going to tap, and you can down here for yourself explore your gallery, or you can just tap on finish. And voila, we are in business. If you want to know how to insert the SIM card, look in the description for the link below. All right? Good luck, guys.